First, you need to open your Binance mobile application and make sure you're logged into your account. Once logged in, you'll see either the Binance icon or your profile picture at the top left-hand corner. Simply tap on it to open the main menu. After that, you'll be redirected to another page where you need to tap on More Services. Now, scroll down a bit until you find the Trade section. In the Trade options, you will see an option called Convert. Tap on it to proceed. On the Convert page, in the From section, tap the drop-down arrow, use the search bar to type USDC, and select it. Then, in the To section, again tap the drop-down arrow, search for USDT, and select it. Next, you need to enter the amount of USDC you want to convert to USDT. Once you input the amount, you will be able to see a conversion preview showing exactly how much USDT you will receive. After that, tap on Preview Conversion. Here, Binance will show you the details of the conversion along with any applicable transaction fees. Once you review everything carefully, simply tap on the Confirm or Deposit button at the bottom to complete the conversion. Wait for a few seconds, and that's it. You have successfully converted your USDC into USDT on Binance. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy crypto tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.